Where's my schedule? What website was it on again?
And don't forget, you can access My LSUS on your phone. All you have to do is input your student ID and your PIN. And don't forget that you can also screenshot or print it out on your phone.
Okay, where do I even park? Because one side of the curb is green, the other side's not been painted. And plus, some people have yellow tags, my tag is purple. So what does that even mean?
Do you need some help?
Actually, yes, because I've had a rough day. First of all, I cannot find my schedule. I had to go to My LSUS, but thank God it was there. And now, I don't know where to park because one side of the curb's green, the other side is nothing on it. So, where do I go?
So the green lines are parking for faculty and staff. The empty ones are for the students. The purple parking stickers are for students, and the yellow ones are for faculty and staff.
You know what, that makes a lot of sense. Thank you. Hey, what's up?
Let's go. So do you have any more questions?
To be honest, yeah.